I'm Dr. Dana Englund for Osteopathic Integrative Medicine. Let's talk about healthcare. And let's talk about how healthcare is very different from disease management. Our current medical system is designed around disease management. It's not actually a healthcare system, because our system is devoted almost entirely to avoiding disease or to managing the symptoms of disease. And that is the difference between healthcare and disease management. Now, during the 2020 pandemic, we know that our system has been taxed to its limit. But if we look closely at what that system has offered us, it includes things like fear and isolation. Don't leave your house. Don't touch anyone. Don't interact with anyone. Make sure that you cover your face. Now, from a disease management model, that makes perfect sense. And it's appropriate. But what if we're talking about promoting health? Well, being that humans are social animals, that we're designed to be in community, it's actually a sacrifice of our health and well-being to avoid the disease. Now, it may be that under certain circumstances, that's appropriate. But what I want to explain is that to promote the health in the entire being over the long term is a task that our current system is just not up for. Promoting health is an entirely different thing than avoiding disease. Physical touch, we know, reduces inflammation, reduces stress, and actually boosts our immune system. So when we avoid touching each other, we're not promoting health. We may be avoiding a disease, but we're not promoting health. And likewise, our communication is an enormous percentage through our facial expression. And when we block that, then we lose the ability to communicate in the way that we have before. And that can be detrimental to our mental well-being, our emotional well-being, and even our physical well-being. Because we know that those connections that we make with each other are part of our whole well-being that can influence even our immune system. So as we look at our system, doing the absolute best it can with some of the most courageous and intelligent people that we have ever seen, we find that the philosophical underpinnings of that system, that is disease management only, cannot meet the challenge. It cannot give us everything that we need. And there will be dire consequences to our long-term health if we don't recognize that we need actual health care in addition to just disease management. So, what is the alternative? Well, at Osteopathic Integrative Medicine, we focus exclusively on health. Our job, our passion, is to support your body's ability to be healthy and to heal itself. I often have people ask me, well, do you treat this disease or do you treat that disease? And it doesn't matter what disease that is. I always answer the same way. No, but I do treat patients, and some of them have that disease or the other disease. At Osteopathic Integrative Medicine, our goal is to support you as an individual entirely as you are, every part of your being, to support your ability to be healthy and to heal yourself. So how do we do that? Well, we have three main avenues that we use. The first is osteopathic manipulation. We use our hands to diagnose and treat. And what we do is we support your body's ability to be as healthy as it can be by making sure that all of the processes in your body are functioning at their best. That includes, of course, the musculoskeletal system, We're osteopaths. But that also includes your organs, your blood vessels, your lymph channels, even your nervous system. And of course, what we're all worried about now, your immune system. We want every part of you to be as healthy as you can possibly be. The second way that we approach health and healing is through regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is the cutting edge of medical technology. And through the regenerative techniques, we can support your body's ability to be healthy. We can boost your body's ability to repair, to regenerate, to completely reorganize and build new healthy tissue. This is where we start talking about cures, not just managing symptoms. And the third avenue that we use is our Total Vital Wellness Program. And through that, we walk you through a curriculum where we teach you and train you and support you the whole way through a lifestyle overhaul. That puts you back in the driver's seat of your best health. You can take control of your own health and wellness. So yes, it is important to avoid disease, but it's more important to never forget that we must promote health. And that's what we do at Osteopathic Integrative Medicine. We support your ability to heal, and that is health care.